Welcome to a tutorial on how to use the Lone Star Art Guild database. I'm the LSAG database administrator, and I'm going to walk you through how to log on once you have gotten your activation email from your league administrator. When you click on the link, you'll come to this screen on the Lone Star Art Guild, and it'll ask you to put in your password. Remember that passwords are case sensitive, which means that uppercase and lowercase letters mean something different to the computer. So once you've put it in and reconfirmed it, click on Activate Profile, and you can see your activation has been successful. And it will bring you up the information that was put in by your administrator. And that's going to be your first name, your last name, your display name, which is your first name and last name, and your email address that the email went to where you got the activation link. If you ever change this, remember that from that point on, that will be your new logon. Now, the one thing that you can change when you first get in here, sorry, my computer's running a little slow today, is this division. You may have been put in, if they didn't know what your division was, as Division 4 by your administrator. You can click on that and change it. If you do change it, you can only change it up, and once you change it, you cannot go back down. You'll have to go to your league administrator to do that. So you want to go ahead and save your profile, and you are now Division 2. Whether you fill the rest of this information in or not depends on your league. So then we're going to go up to View Artwork, and since you're a new artist, you don't have any artwork in here yet, so we're going to add some new artwork. And we're going to add the title, and it's going to be Artwork 1. And we'll click down here on the category box, and you can go ahead and fill in whatever category it is. Let's just go ahead and say it's oils and acrylics. And the medium is oil. And you can put a price in here if you want, if you're going to be selling it. If not, you can leave it blank. Then you're going to put in the width. If it's just a piece of hanging art, you can just put in 1 inch. And you don't need to put fractions in here. You don't have to put 20.5. It's only used for figuring out the panel. It's not that exact. Sorry about that. Make sure that you do width and then height. I know some leagues did height and width, but for the database we can only do it one way, width and height. So then you're going to want to go ahead and save your data, and click on the thing that says I have looked at it, it's okay. And it will bring you up the chance to put this artwork in a show. You don't have to. You can go ahead and go back to View Artwork and it'll still be there. Or if you do want to go ahead and put it in a show because the show's coming up, you click on here and it'll show you the upcoming shows. Click on the show you want to put it in and click Add. And it will now show you that you are in the test show. There won't be anything in placement until later after the shows are over and the database administrators for your league have put the placements in. If for some reason you want to take it out of the show, you can click on this button right here and it'll delete it from the show. It will not delete the base artwork. If you do that and it's after the closing date for the show, but before the show happens, please be kind to your judge show person and let them know so they're not expecting the artwork and it's not going to show up. So then you can go back to View Artwork, and there it is. And if you wanted to put in another piece, you can. So let's say we're going to put in more artwork, and let's say that that is going to be a drawing. And it's going to be in pencil, and you're going to want to sell it for $100, and it is 8 by 10, and save artwork. Yes, it's all correct. And let's say we're not going to put it in a show. We'll go back to view artwork. And now you have two pieces of artwork, one that's in a show and one that's not. Go over here and click on log out when you're ready to leave. Log out again. Yes, I am definitely ready to go out. And you're done.